right, this is the Pruveeo quick unboxing. Little thank you card. The Pruveeo dash cam itself. You can tell it's new. Still has stickers on it. Now, the only thing that I have a question about, now this is their adapter, which has to be plugged in all the time. There we go, it's a regular car adapter with an angled USB. Now you can use any USB adapter for any device that has that type on it. And pretty much for mounting, you are given two of these 3M mounting brackets and this. About the only thing I have a question on. They don't give you a suction cup mount. Move this back here. And the booklet. So there it is, the Pruveeo dash cam. Unboxing. Yes, Dad Random. Hey, this is Dad Random, and got a little treat for you today. I thought that since I do so much filming in my car, that I would buy something to make that job just a little bit easier. So I got myself a dash camera. Yes. Sun back. It's about as much of a Sunday sunrise you're ever gonna get from me right there. So, Dad Random. All right, let's go check it out. Now, last night I modified it. I put that camera on an old mount that I had, and that mount was a suction cup mount, a suction cup mount from an old GPS unit that I had, and I just stuck it to it. So let's see what happened to it overnight. One of the things that is important is that the dash cam mount has to stick to the to the window glass. So let's see what happened. Check this out. Yes. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. A little bit of unboxing fun today, and a little bit of, oh man, surprise. Check this out. Check that. So, I'm guessing that the mount gave way overnight, but it is an old suction cup mount. It's probably, I don't know, it's probably 10 years old. But the camera itself, the lenses seem good. I did a night test on it. It looks like the adhesive that it comes with, which is supposed to attach directly to the window glass, which I did not clean. So, but let's go ahead and mount that thing, and let's take a little drive. Wow, my windshield is dirty. So the first thing you need to do, guys, I would say, to give this thing a fair test, it is clean the dang windshield. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the window. Later, bye. We will see. So far, working pretty good. I've got little mini cams, little mini cameras with similar menus. I think they're all basically the same, menu system. This one's just laid out with, instead of a single cheap camera, it's got two cheap cameras. So we'll check it out. We'll see. Dad Random, yes. We're trying out his new dash cam. Guys, I am excited for my new dash cam. And let me see here. I gotta read that thing. This dash cam is brought to you by the Pruveeo company, the Pruveeo. Pruveeo makes a couple different models of dash cameras, and definitely I will be posting this review for them. Now, they didn't buy this camera for me, and actually they sent me 2 of them, and I purchased it through Amazon. I could have ordered this through a Chinese shipping company for about 55 bucks. So hopefully I don't get what I pay for, because 55 bucks, that's not saying much. Really good dash cameras are about $300–400. So we're going to do a little comparison with a really good dash cam. Kind of like this phone I'm using, which is probably the best dash cam ever. Walking sassy. I don't know if she saw me. I'm going to go get Steve. Time to get Steve. Go get Steve. Go get coffee. Gosh. Right there. There's proof. The dash cam. Little freaking pup right there wandering around. Hey, Steven. Steve. Hey, Steve. Are we going to Starbucks? He wants to take a walk, but we're gonna roll to Starbucks first. The Pruveeo dash cam by Dad Random. Yes, these people don't even know what glorious adventures are going to take place with their cam. So hopefully when they see this. Now, I was actually approached by Rexing, and I didn't do it. I wanted to do it on my own. I thought their camera was a little bit pricey. It's the exact same level as this camera, meaning it has the same resolution. So I don't know why I would want to spend another 75 bucks more for the same resolution that I could get from a camera. That's but they of course have a lot of good reviews. Obviously they approach people that do reviews to do that, and so a little bit of Dad Random this morning. I just love the freedom that I don't have to do anything. I'm just driving, and I can just be, like a lot of vloggers. They've got, a literal camera. Now, I have a DV Power camera that you can hook up like a dash cam. It'd be great for a cabin camera, because it will go up to 4K, or I think I don't know if it's a upsized, an upscaled 2.7, but which it may be, you never know. But it looks good. I'm getting good footage. Got a pretty filtered sky today, so this should be good. This should be good video. I'm going to do a night. I'll get some night samples too, and we'll put that on here. I can't turn the camera to the side though, so a lot of people like to, Ooh, man, Steve, did you fart? Oh man, Steve, that was smelly. If that was you, that smell.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you today?
It's not fun that I can't get the person at the window at the Starbucks, but it's probably better for not having to edit them out if I get an issue.
Well, no, it was 683 today.
You think? Now I'm going to leave it on the cabin camera because, of course, whoa, Steve, man, he's look at that. He just loves it. He is such a happy boy. All right, Steve. There we go. There. And yes, he is so abused. Right, Steve? You are such abused pup. Alright, here we go. Let's go home. Right, Steve? Alright, time to go home. He's thinking that, hey, let's go. He thinks it's a hike, and it's not a hike, Steve. Sorry. It's Starbucks. Starbucks is like it's like a yuppie hike. Steve. Dead random. All coffeeed up and no place to go. It's Sunday. With his new Pruveeo dash cam, him and Steve coming back from Starbucks. Doesn't get much better than that, guys, I'm telling you. Folks, it is not getting any better than this. Right, Steve? Except for a walk. Can't walk with a dash cam. You probably could. But this will be a... Oh, man. Oh, she's right. I might have to take a U-turn and check that out. Somebody decided to put some soap inside the... they put laundry detergent inside the waterfall over there at a housing complex over there, and it basically creates a giant pile of suds. Dad, Random, and Steve showing off the Pruveeo dash cam. Yes, so far so good. So far so good. If it's Dad Random and Steve approved, then I'll be giving one of these puppies away. Because I only want to give good things to my friends, not crap. Yes. Alright, here we go. Later. Bye.
You have learned much, young one.